Hello, my name's David and I'm here to talk to you about NeatTuck. Has this ever happened to you? I know I'm not the only one. NeatTuck is the world's first peer-to-peer laundry share app, comprised of a global community where your neighbor in your apartment building, down the street, or the house next door become your local laundry solution at the touch of a button. Utilizing geomapping technology, NeatTuck connects local people within a close radius to experience a new way of doing laundry and supplementing their income by using home appliances and mobile devices. Users are registered members of the NeatTuck community, and washers are verified members who wash users' laundry. The user has full control throughout the laundry process. A user can manually set their preferences such as their preferred brands of detergent or fabric softener, washing temperature, and method of drying. NeatTuck even has tiers for different demographics, such as our subscription-free community tier, a discounted student tier, Prime tier, which includes a complimentary loaner garment for situations like this, a business tier, prioritized with expedited request handling, and our Black tier, which has a Bitcoin payment option, and you'll be matched with some of our most experienced washers. These experiences are available with the Android and Apple, including Apple Watch devices. NeatTuck is truly the world's first on-demand laundry mobile application, here to bolster our economy sharing era while strengthening the bond of society in every neighborhood via the NeatTuck app.